chào mọi người đã đến với kênh. Hôm nay thì có mặt tại thành phố Grafton, Illinois để tham gia cuộc đua Firecracker Race. Hôm nay thời tiết rất là đẹp, gió ít, khí hậu rất là mát. Một tí xíu nữa mọi người sẽ bắt đầu từ đây thì dèo theo con sông này xuống 15 mile là hoàn thành cuộc đua. Con sông này có tên là Mississippi. Hồi đó tới giờ thì Thiện đua bên con sông Missouri không à, bên tiểu bang Missouri. Nhưng mà bây giờ thì hôm nay là cuộc đua này được diễn ra ở thành phố Grafton, Illinois. Thì tiểu bang Illinois với là tiểu bang Missouri nó cũng không có xa gì bao nhiêu hết á, nó chỉ cách nhau một con sông thôi.
We're launching, and I'm going to talk about this a little bit more when we do the safety briefing. But we're actually launching on the Illinois River. The Mississippi comes in and the Illinois, so you'll spend a little bit of time on the Illinois River. And the confluence of the two is kind of out here somewhere. There's actually a buoy that's an orange buoy with a green stripe because it's left for the Mississippi and right for the Illinois. Anyway. Yeah, so you launch on the Illinois, it meets up with the Mississippi, and then the channel, it's the channel line here, and you've got, it's kind of easy if you think of it this way. You're on river left for two islands, right? Slim and Portage Island. Then you cross the river, and then you're on the right for two islands. It's 2 and 2. So on Eagle's Nest and Piasaw, you're on river right. You cross the river again. Keep in mind all the barges are doing this too, right? So you got to keep an eye out for them. And then you stay on river left the rest of the way.
Riverlands here, the Audubon, who gave us this facility. Is this a nice facility or what? All right. And I want to just mention one name, Brian Hopkins, who kind of gives me advice on anything questions that I have with racing and that kind of thing, and we kind of talk back and forth. So Brian, thanks a lot for what you do. Now, the important people. I want to thank our volunteers. You know, I always say it takes a small army to run a race, and it really does. We have a small army of 20 people to run this race, and I'm just going to go through the list real quick and mention all of them. So we have Larry Hassel, he's our photographer. Some of the people that you've seen through the day, Susan Murray helped us at finish. My wife, Katie Heaton, right over there, helped with this, the award ceremony. Terry Maddox, right there at the desk. Thanks, Terry. Antonia Burgess helped us. She's helped us with the food. We have Kevin McKee that helped us at the check-in and also at the finish. He's not here. We have Mark Johnson. He's helped us over there. John Beerman, you guys probably saw him when you were getting your boat up. Maybe he helped you pull your boat out of the river at the takeout. Mary Murkowski is in the other room also. She's helped us today. Oh, she's right here. That's Mary. Everybody's there. Thomas Cook, he helped us at the takeout today. Okay, then we have safety, all of our safety folks. So the sweep who followed the last motor in today was Yolanda Wood. She's here, she's right there. We have Jay Donnie helped us on safety also. Is Jay here? Okay, we had Perry Whitaker helped us at the finish today. We have David Dixon helped us with safety today. He's in here somewhere. We have Kathy Basonga helped us with safety. Jim Rudy, Karen Pauls was sitting right over there. Ron Box was our online safety coordinator. I know he's in here somewhere. There he is right there. And then in the motorboat we had. Okay, so I think we'll give the awards out, and then we'll do the raffle afterward, just in case there's some folks still making their way since we started so early. We'll go ahead and give the awards. I want to congratulate our first overall finisher. This year we're doing something a little special that I haven't done before. We got a special award for the very first finisher, the first overall finisher, which was Tom Selva and Rusty Selva. They're not here. Oh, they've seen this. Must be present to win.
Taking my
All right, I just want to congratulate those guys for really getting. So it was 1 hour, 45 minutes, and 55 seconds. So Rusty and 20 minutes faster than that. Okay, ready to do this, Mark? Yes. Okay. Okay, so we'll just start off with the men's kayak solo. And in first place, with a time of 1 hour, 49 minutes, and 30 seconds, is Tom Lee, but he is not here.
Tom! This is his camera.
And, when I call your name, just come on up. Second place we have, with a time of 1 hour, 56 minutes, and 29 seconds, we have John Duver. John, come on up. I think all the racers came to this today. And then in third place with 2 hours, 5 minutes, and 27 seconds, we have Mark Fingerhut.
If you're not first, you're last. Missouri man. It's only valid in Missouri.
Yes, he can get it the time.
Suck it in, Mark.
All right. Okay. For women's kayak solo, move on to that category. The top, we have Catherine Norton. Catherine, over here. Okay, in second place, with a time of 2 hours, 33 minutes, and 55 seconds, we have Eleanor Ardini.
Eleanor, look this way. She was on the Mississippi for the first time this week.
Yes, I paddled with Eleanor on Tuesday. Show her the river, and she wins an award. Okay, in third place with a time of 2 hours, 35 minutes, and 4 seconds, we have Maddie Hacker. Oh, there's Maddie. All right. Moving on to the men's tandem kayak. In first place with a time of 2 hours, 23 minutes, and 58 seconds, we have Dave Gossett and Joe Brown. Okay, and then right behind them, almost on top of them, is second place with 2 hours, 24 minutes, and 49 seconds is Brad McCormick and Elijah McCormick. We'll hold on to those. We'll reach out to Brad. And when I get these names right. So we'll move on to, that was all that was in that category. We'll move on to the women's tandem kayak. And in first place with a time of 1 hour, 54 minutes, and 54 seconds is Cindy Wolfsdorf and Stephanie Wolf.
Thank you. Ready?
Thank you.
Did I, okay. And in second place, with a time of 2 hours, 22 minutes, and 23 seconds, was Debbie Dial and Doreen Johnson.
Doreen,
place with a time of 2 hours, 46 minutes, and 7 seconds, we have Joanne Key and Lisa Ecker.
These little targets like the Olympic ones. Heard about that, right? No. They're targets.
We have Alma Hopkins and Brian Hopkins.
What was their time again? Under 2?
There's 3 in that category.
Wow. I mean, how fast were they? What was their time again?
1 hour and 48 minutes.
Damn. Fast year.
Second overall.
I think they were second overall. All right. Second place in that category with a time of 1 hour, 50 minutes, and 38 seconds. Dorothy Merritt and Scott Merritt.
You want to take it?
Okay, and in third place with a time of 2 hours, 3 minutes, and 7 seconds, Amy Grove and Jeff Aslis. Yeah, what did he say? We have Zachary Smith.
Got it.
Okay, and moving on to the women's solo canoe, we had one in that category. She was first place. 2 hours, 26 minutes, and 58 seconds. We have Melissa Wilson.
Last place.
Dream close up.
First is last, last is first. It's all good.
Okay, and then moving on to men's standing canoe, in first place with a time, well, we already know that it was 1 hour, 45 minutes, and 55 seconds, which is Rusty Self and Tom Sullivan. They were first overall. They're not here. In second place with a really good time of 1 hour, 55 minutes, and 30 seconds, we have Stephen Gulak and James Donovan. Okay, in third place, with a time of 2 hours, 33 minutes, and 33 seconds, we have Daniel Whitmayer and Joe Klein.
That is the birthday boy.
Okay, and then next category, we only have one more category, that's the co-ed tandem canoe. We have Molly Rapp and Tom Ryan. is Dan Striker.
Let me get
All right.
Got it.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're not sure how to do it. Oh boy, this is going to be challenging. With a time of 2 hours, 25 minutes, and 47 seconds is Jackson Orstad. Okay, and in third place, very similar again, we have 2 hours, 54 minutes, and 52 seconds for Douglas Orstad. The father-son team. The father-son team. Okay, and then our last division, we have the Voyager team. We had one of those. And we have a team of 4. Ethan Bazan, Jeff Danionville, Richard Bazan, and Travis Allen. Are they here?
Yeah. Hold them up here.
Oh, you may have Alton.
This will work. Gotcha.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, there are a couple things. One thing before I go on the raffle, I was told that we had plenty of food left over and plenty of beer left over. So, and right after this raffle. We're just going to start off with okay, so we have a Garmin spot tracker. Who has one of these already? Pretty good stuff. Give this away. We have 0834641. Alright, so we have some $50 gift cards for Alton shopping at the Lowe's. We're going to give away. Here we have number 0834585.
1585. That'll be it.
Okay, we have 0834628.